The landscape of content creation has evolved far beyond simple publishing, with analytics tracking emerging as a critical component of success. While many creators focus primarily on production, the systematic monitoring of content performance after launch provides invaluable insights that can dramatically improve results and audience engagement. Analytics serve as a comprehensive performance dashboard, offering detailed metrics about how audiences interact with content. Through careful tracking of engagement rates, view duration, and conversion metrics, creators can develop a clear understanding of what resonates with their audience. This data-driven approach transforms gut feelings into actionable insights, allowing for strategic adjustments that enhance content effectiveness. Real-world success stories demonstrate the power of analytics tracking. Content creators who closely monitor their metrics often discover surprising patterns. For instance, data might reveal that shorter videos perform better during weekday mornings, while longer, more detailed content generates more engagement on weekend evenings. These insights enable creators to optimize their publishing schedules and content formats accordingly. The timing of analytics monitoring plays a crucial role in content optimization. The initial 24 to 48 hours post-publication typically provide immediate audience response indicators, while weekly and monthly tracking reveals more substantial trends. Successful creators often implement a structured review schedule, conducting weekly analyses for tactical adjustments and monthly reviews for broader strategic planning. Social media platforms offer particularly rich analytical data sets. Instagram Insights provides detailed information about follower activity patterns, post performance, and content distribution. Facebook Analytics delivers comprehensive demographic data about audience composition, while X Analytics reveals optimal posting times for maximum engagement. Each platform's unique metrics contribute to a complete understanding of content performance. Key performance indicators, KPIs, should align closely with specific content goals. Awareness-focused content benefits from tracking reach and impressions, while engagement-oriented pieces should monitor likes, comments, and shares. For conversion-focused content, click-through rates and actual conversions become paramount. Understanding these metrics helps creators tailor their content strategy to achieve specific objectives. Competitive analysis through analytics provides another crucial advantage. By comparing content performance against industry standards and competitor benchmarks, creators can identify gaps in their strategy and uncover new opportunities. This comparative data helps establish realistic goals and expectations for future content initiatives. The technical infrastructure for analytics tracking has become increasingly sophisticated. Modern tools offer everything from basic engagement metrics to complex user journey mapping. Google Analytics, platform-native analytics, and third-party tools provide comprehensive data visualization and reporting capabilities, making it easier to track and interpret performance metrics. Analytics reveal valuable patterns in audience behavior that might otherwise go unnoticed. Creators might discover that certain content themes consistently generate higher engagement, or that specific formatting choices lead to better retention rates. These insights enable data-driven decisions about content strategy, format, and distribution. The interpretation of analytics goes beyond raw numbers. When content underperforms, detailed metrics can help identify whether the issue lies with the content itself, timing, format, or distribution strategy. This comprehensive understanding enables more effective content optimization and improvement over time. Success stories from established creators frequently highlight the importance of consistent analytics monitoring. By using data to inform content strategy, timing, and distribution decisions, these creators achieve better engagement rates, higher conversions, and stronger audience relationships. This systematic approach to content creation leads to sustainable growth and improved performance over time. The future of content creation is increasingly data-driven, with artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies enhancing analytics capabilities. These advanced tools are becoming more sophisticated in predicting content performance and suggesting optimization strategies. Staying current with these developments requires a solid foundation in analytics tracking and interpretation. To implement effective analytics tracking, creators should establish clear goals and corresponding metrics from the outset. Regular data review sessions should inform content strategy adjustments while maintaining flexibility to adapt to changing digital landscapes. The most successful creators view analytics tracking as an ongoing process of refinement and optimization, constantly evolving their approach based on performance data and audience feedback. LinkedIn builds your reputation, while YouTube builds your reach. Together, they create a balanced and scalable foundation for practical digital strategies, one that works whether you're publishing weekly tips, launching tutorials, or growing a community of learners. Both platforms reward consistent, useful, practical content, the exact strengths your brand is built on. Hey, to contact me, use the contact form on GuyRcook.com. It's a wrap.